come through, guys. It's come through. Let's end up on my now. Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. Ay, umakwele nkosi yami. Molweni, 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 molweni. Nami ngiyakuthanda Zanele. Thank you, Nozi. Siyaphila ukukhathala nje guys, yo. Thank you, Vanele. Okay, hi guys. Hi Jama. And hello. Hey Wendy. Okay guys, I just want to notify you that I will be live on Izwi Mzansi today at 7:30. Also, when I am live with Izwi Mzansi, I would appreciate if a success gang yami would participate kakhulu nabo, as I'll also be talking about our combo. Please make sure that you guys tune in. Izwi Mzansi. Okay, I really use Google Mina when I want to listen to Baba Lilita. So just type on your Google Izwi Mzansi live streaming. It will take you directly to the radio station Loud Kunmakon. So please make sure you guys are listening to Izwi Mzansi today at 7:30 to 8:00. Yes, Shezi. Please guys, make sure I need you guys to be calling in. I need you guys to really participate. I really need you guys. I need those who call in, especially Lava Sebekalile, and it has worked for them to stay to know I've done 1, 2, 3. It has worked for me. Keeping testimonies as well, very important, because there's to continue doing what we are doing for you guys, or to continue with the prank. Yes, who does state a testimony. Okay, mind you, we all have our own testimonies. Yeah, and hey, what was that? Almost what Lilith. Oh. So, yeah. So please make sure that you guys tune in on Izwi Mzansi today at 7:30. I will be there. I will be live. I don't know if I'll be live on my phone, on my Facebook, but I will definitely be there. So if you're calling in on Izwi Mzansi, please do send a shout out to the Glow Gang. Okay, no, not Glow Gang, Success Gang, Success Combo Gang. Please also ngiqhubeke nokuthandaza. Please also continue to soak. That does not mean ukuthi angikho live. That does not mean ukuthi angikwenzi. Ngiyakwenza. Nani ngicela ukuthi ngikwenze. My skin. Oh, thank you. Thank you, doll. Thank you so much. Ngikhathele lo mzuzu. Leyo skin leyo ngiyibona uyibona indlela ngikhathele ngayo. So ngiyathanda ke ngothando laka love labona mkhulu. Amashiya wakho uwenza njani ahlale enje kanjena. Kanjena sithando amashiya. Kanjena microblading. Kanjena Molo Nomaswazi Dlamini. Hi Amanda. Okay guys, ngiyanithanda. I want to charge my phone so that if Wednesday I keep it live on my phone. But it's very important. I need you guys to stay tuned on the radio. 7:30. Don't make a mistake. Ngiyanithanda. Bye.